to Sky Broking Weekly Stock Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Starting with a fundamental analysis in the global cues, Wall Street will finally find out if President Biden wants to have a change at the head of the Fed. Expectations are still for Fed Chairman Mr. Powell to get re-nominated, but the odds have dropped over the past couple of months. Powell is still around a 2-1 favorite, and the market impact might be minimal if Biden nominates Lael Brainard. Brainard running the Fed would be viewed as being a slightly more dovish, which could delay interest rate hikes. The immediate impact in the markets may well be a drop in short-term interest rates. The ECB accounts should reinforce the view the inflation is not expected to become a problem and should return below target without the need for rate hikes next year. Moving into the domestic cues, the withdrawal of the farm laws could impact sourcing and expansion plans and dash industries' hopes of cheaper input costs, said executives belonging to the food processing companies while describing Friday's development as a setback. No major data or events next week for India. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's look into the technical analysis. Last week we mentioned that Nifty's downside range is 17,690 and from there the market recovered. This week, until Nifty closes below 17,450, it may expect a recovery rally. Last week we mentioned Bank Nifty will close below 38,300 on daily basis, and then this will see a further rally on downside, and that had exactly happened. And in this week Bank Nifty remains in high volatility with wide range bound trade in between 37,335 to 39,307 levels. So these are this week's technical analysis. Moving on to the derivative analysis. Based on option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,000 strike and for the put side is 17,500 strike. Overall 500 points band, and the expiry is on 25th November. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with a Nifty negative close and when compared with the previous week, which shows huge call writing. India VAX has settled in 14.85 and when compared with the previous week, it ended slightly low, which shows mild decreasing in the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Chambal fertilizer above 366, the target is 383 with a stop loss 350. Buy Tata Motors near 490, the target is 515 with a stop loss 470. Coming to the F&O corner, buy Nifty future near 17,800, the target is 17,870 with a stop loss 17,730. Based on the option strategy, long strangle buy Nifty 17,850 call option near 95 and 17,700 put option near 85. 25th November will be the expiry. The total buy premium is 180, the target is 270 with a stop loss 90. And in the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 4,410.90 crores, and for the November month, the FII net sellers are minus 9,999.51 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 3,926.53 crores, and for the November month, the DII net buyers are 9,663.87 crores. So these are this week's equity weekly market commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.